Okay, here we go. So now I think you can, I bumped it, but okay. I think you can see the banjo bolt in question. It's this one over here. I'm tightening that. Okay, I'm gonna get a 90mm in there. Let's see if this fits. Highly unlikely, but hope springs eternal. No. Okay, there you go. So that's the only thing that fits an open end. And then do degree by degree. Maybe a share. I don't know if that's what I could have done anything else with this. No more space left. Come on, just a little bit. Oh great, I'll have to figure something out about this.